Welcome to Tradesman. My name is Vlad. I'm CEO and founder of Tradesman, and I'd like to go over current market conditions. We're approaching CPI and PPI data, ECB decision, Fed decision next week. So market is sitting on the edge, right, in terms of where the yield is, where the dollar is. So what to expect short term, how to prepare for this event. That's the topic of today's discussion. See and share a trade idea. Disclosures are very important. Please read them. Trading stock and options involve risk, not suitable for everyone. I encourage you to visit optionsclearing.com, the link on your screen if you're new to trading stock or options, so you can understand the risk associated with trading stock and options, and these are upcoming workshops. All right, let's take a look. Looking at the stock forecast toolbox again, model is turning neutral as we approach CPI data tomorrow. Support 448, overhead resistance 451. We're trading at as low as 446 today. You can see as I'm recording, QQQ just broke through the support, almost closed the gap on its way to probably retest the recent lows. But again, this is just a short-term price fluctuation. The major trends have not been changed. So tomorrow and this week and next week, I think there's only two things that can happen. Market either going to retest the recent highs and QQQ will get close to 400, assuming inflation is subsiding and interest rates drop below 4% on the 10-year yield, and the dollar continues to sell off. If that's the case, then the QQQ is gonna rally. I think that's a less likely scenario. A lot of people disagree on that. I'm not sure if mine is more popular or not, but a lot of people think that the yield will drop below 4%, right, below this breakout level, and rally will continue. I think the risk is to the upside that the yield will go higher, especially if the inflation doesn't drop enough, as most people believe, and dollar continues to be strong. So I think more likely scenario that we have final overshooting in yield and dollar, and QQQ pulls back and continues to be under pressure. Also from seasonality point of view, usually first 2 weeks of September are bullish, and then starting in the middle of September, end of September, as we approach in the next earnings cycle, another pullback, potentially breaching the 430 level, the recent lows, which is also not the most popular opinion, but that is my opinion. And I do think inflation is not going to be better than expected. So I'm preparing for this event. You could do two things. You can either buy a put or put spread, or you can sell short QQQ, right, or buy PSQ. But all three ways to hedge this next couple of weeks in case market internals will get weaker, as most of the asset classes are sitting on key support. So those are the two trade ideas that I have. Again, size is extremely important. Just remember, one contract of QQQ put is $36,000. For smaller portfolio, it's more appropriate to trade stock. And finally, it is all about Powell's speech next week and then CPI data tomorrow. Thank you very much and have a great day.